Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet, your man, Markel Prines, home business coach and mentor. And real quick, I want to show you something right here. It's from Animaker. This is my first time using the screen share feature, the vMaker itself. So this is just a test recording, and I'm looking every which way right now just to see how the camera angles are. I'm doing the picture in picture. It should show up at the bottom here, bottom left. And as a test, it looks like I can move the picture in picture around, which is definitely an awesome feature. And if you hear any noise in the background, I'm at home. Well, I'm not at home right now. I'm actually visiting family. I'm in New York. I'm watching TV at the same time that I'm doing this recording. And the gentleman on the show that I'm watching now, he's actually getting real excited. So you can hear a lot of yelling possibly. But this right here is just a test, just to see how the Animaker Vmaker actually works. So it's a webcam feature that you can actually just record the screen itself, or you can record yourself using a webcam and just do like a podcast style recording, or you can do both the screen itself and the capturing of yourself at the same time, like I'm doing right now. So with this program, it states that it allows you to record an unlimited amount of time, and you get unlimited storage space. Now, me myself, I'm with Animaker, and I have the Pro version. So this is actually included with the Pro version, along with numerous other tools. Um, I don't really want to go too much off of this screen here, so I'm just going to click on right here on the tour, as I just did, and it gives you a little tour of the section here. To click next, all projects, my team, and as it says here, all your team information will be available here on the vMaker dashboard for instant access. So you can have a team of people working on making videos, just like you have a team of people that you can have working when it's creating animated videos. So Animaker is a great product and service because it allows you to not only make great content, exclusive content, be your own um, director, producer, video writer, make your own content however you choose, but it also allows you to collaborate with your team on making those projects, and also collaborate when it comes to making informational videos, such as this one, just giving you a quick overview of what we're actually using. So with that, I'm not going to make this video too long. I just wanted to make this quick test video right here. It's not perfect, it's not polished, and so far so good. I'm liking it. I'm going to go to another screen real quick just to see, basically how the transition goes. So when I just did that, screen comes up. I'm gonna move myself down here, and I'm gonna go to another page just to see how, the transition between from page to page goes. All right, so transition is pretty good. The one thing that I did notice is when I pressed on the different tabs up here, the picture of myself down here, it blanked out, it disappeared, and then it seems like it reloaded. So of course, once when I watch this video back, once when it's finished, I'll see if that's actually the case. I'm getting a phone call right now, so I'm gonna take that call, and this is perfect timing. I'm going to end this video, and once again, this is your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com. Have a great rest of your day.